In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with HubSpot. By the end, you'll have the HubSpot plus Trello two-way sync power-up added to your board so you can keep work in Trello aligned with records in your CRM without manual copy-paste. Start by opening Trello.com in your browser and signing in. From the Trello home screen, head to your board's view. Choose the board you want to connect to HubSpot. It's best to pick the board where your team actually tracks work related to leads, deals, or customer tasks, and make sure you have the right permissions to add power-ups on that board. Once you're on the board, look for the power-ups icon. Depending on your layout, it's usually a small rocket or available from the board menu. Click it to open the power-ups panel. In that panel, select Add Power-Ups to open Trello's Power-Ups directory. This is where you can browse and install integrations. Use the search bar and type HubSpot. You'll see several results, but the one we want is called HubSpot plus Trello two-way sync. Click into it to view the details. This power-up is designed to keep information synchronized in both directions, so updates you make in Trello can reflect in HubSpot and vice versa, which is great for keeping sales and project teams on the same page. Click Add to add it to your board. If you're asked to confirm or if an additional add button appears, go ahead and click Add again. That confirmation clears the install and ensures the power-up is active. If you hit a limit on power-ups for your plan, you may need to remove another power-up first or consider upgrading, but otherwise the add should complete in just a moment. After the install, you'll see the power-up listed on your board. Many power-ups will prompt you to connect or configure settings the first time. If you see a configure or settings option, open it, sign into your HubSpot workspace if prompted, and grant the requested permissions so the sync can work properly. Keep an eye out for any mapping or scope options and start with the defaults if you're unsure. Those are typically safe and easy to adjust later. That's it. You went to Trello, opened your board, launched the Power-Ups menu, searched for HubSpot, selected HubSpot plus Trello two-way sync, and clicked Add to enable it. From here, you're ready to follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the connection and start syncing. For best results, test with a sample card and a test record in HubSpot to confirm the sync behaves the way you expect before rolling it out broadly. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.